Today, we're going to build the Acclamator-class assault ship using 16 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 3x3 plate piece for our assault ship. And on the front center stud, I'm going to grab this 1x4 plate piece and just put that right there on the front center stud facing forward. And on that center stud, I'm going to grab a 1x1 round plate piece. Now, this can be any color. We're just kind of using this to make it more solid and for spacing purposes. So I've got my 1x4 plate, my 1x1 round plate. Next, I'm going to grab this 3x1 curved slope piece. And I'm going to put that curved slope piece, so the tall end is on that center back stud, sloping down like this. And then now I've got the center plates all on. Now I'm going to put those side plates on. And for the back two studs, I'm going to grab these 2x2 plate pieces where you got the tile in the front and the studs on the back. So it's only got two studs. And I'm going to put those two studs right here, and the tile sticking out the ends of my assault ship. And on the front studs, I still got those one studs showing on the front. I'm going to grab these 3x2 wedge plates, the left and right wedge plates, and just put it so that they go onto those front right and left studs that are still exposed in my 3x3 plate. And here I've got kind of the body and shape of my assault ship. And now the next thing I got to do is I'm going to put some engines on that assault ship. So I'm going to grab two of these 1x1 bracket pieces and just put the brackets on those back studs of my 2x2 tile plate there, so that the studs are hanging on the top and over. And then once I have those on, I can create the back engines with two of these 1x1 round cone pieces. And those round cones are just going to go on the back of those bracket plates and go along that slope piece in the back. And now the next thing I'm going to do is now build the top forward. On the center, where I've got that green stud, I'm going to grab this 2x1 sloped grill piece and just put that sloped grill piece so it goes onto that center stud and onto the first plate of my 1x4 plate like this. And now we're going to build out, and on these side two studs next to that grill plate, I'm going to grab two of these ingot pieces, these 1x2 ingot pieces, and just put those so that they run along that grill. And they're also connecting my plates to my wedges here, because you can see that little seam there. So I'm just making this build more secure. And then the last thing I have to do is grab this 1x1 plate with tooth, and that's going to go on top of the slope, that 3x1 slope piece, and go over the grill, the 2x1 grill piece like this. And here is a completed Acclamator-class assault ship.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.